Sandy here. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to try to do a quick video to show you my latest design team package that I've received from Country Craft Creations. Now I know it's late in March. I didn't place my order until later in March because I was doing some catch up on projects and I had a special project to work on for Country Craft Creations. So anyway, this is what I got just a few days ago in my package, and this is what I selected to work on. And so it's going to be / combination for March and April. And I am thinking of doing an album with this. I'm 80% sure it's going to be an album. Can't guarantee it, but that's where my train of thought is going with this. So let me show it to you real quick. This is the Simple Stories Simple Vintage Indigo Garden 12 by 12 collection kit. So let's take it out of the plastic so that we can see it a little bit better and just do a really quick run through of what's in the package when you order the 12 by 12 collection kit. Okay, so open this up, take it out. Okay, I just thought this would be really pretty and that's why I chose it. So I love the colors. Look at the pretty butterflies and the flowers. And then you've got the solid butterflies here on the back. These beautiful flowers, nice big flowers, which would work well. But I love the smaller prints or the medium-sized prints too. I think would work really well for an album. This is beautiful. The yellows and the pinks. And there's the pink on the back. You've got your navy, pink, and the yellow butterflies. I love the pink check. We have a pretty stripe here with these prints on the back. This is a doily-like area for a photo. And then it's navy on the back. We have this newsprint and the small green dots. I don't know if you can see that. Got my lights turned down to kind of eliminate the glare. This is really pretty with the white flowers, the navy, and the yellow butterflies, and a yellow check again. Then you have your cut-aparts. 4x4s. 3x4s. Beautiful pink image there, and 4x6s. Now, you notice that you only get one of each, and you also get the sticker. Is that a sticker? Yeah, sticker sheet. I couldn't tell. Okay, you get one of each print. So if you're thinking you need more, you might want to order another collection. I'm really going to try to make an album. That's what I make with just this collection. But to stretch that, I also got the basics kit, which is 6 papers in the more solid colors. So let's take a look at that really quick. Normally I would have these opened up, but I didn't want to get anything mixed up, so I apologize for that. But here are the solids. Now I call them solids, but they do kind of have a little distress in them there that you can see. So that's a green with a pink. So that is called the Meadow and the Primrose. So get 2 of those. And then we have the Indigo and the Jasmine. You get 2 of those. And then you get 2 of the Dogwood and the Porcelain. So that's really going to help stretch out your collection kit. And then the fun thing I was really excited about when I saw it, let me put these here, are your embellishments that you get. Now this I'm not going to open up. This is the Craft Artisan cardstock. I ordered a full pack of that because that's what I'm going to use with this if I make an album. Put that under here. And let's get all these little goodies here. And stack this up out of the way, kind of. My workspace is just full here. Okay, so I selected the, it goes with the same collection, the chipboard clusters. Now, I will be putting a link down below so that you can find these in the Country Craft Creations store. So let's take a look at these really quick without taking up too much of your time. So these are chipboard clusters, which means they're chipboard, but they're like images clustered together, and I really like that. So you've got these big ones here, like doilies behind them. Those are just beautiful. Then we have these more medium-sized with the flowers and tags and some hearts, smaller butterfly and flowers, another small flower, and these tags like with the clips. So I really love how those looks. So that is your chipboard clusters that go with the collection. So I'm going to put them back in their bag. I don't want to lose anything because I'm not quite ready to start working on it. Maybe next week I'll get a chance to start designing on an album for this. I do have other collections that I plan to work with. There's just so many wonderful papers coming out for Country Craft Creations that I want to play with, that I have received, and I haven't even gotten some of the new ones. So yeah, we've got a lot going on with that. So if you have any suggestions or want to know if I can make something, a certain thing, a certain folio or a certain size or something, don't hesitate to leave a comment and let me know. I may or may not be able to, but I'm certainly happy to consider that. My latest project was a book box, which was asked about by someone, and I was able to do that, and I was very happy to take that and come up with something for that would work for everyone. So this I really, really like. I thought these would be great. This is your chipboard frame. So they are chipboard, but they're already made into frames. Look at this window one. Isn't that awesome? It's a really good size too for an album. So we have this double one here. This is My Heart. Here's this one. So I can just see these on each page of an album. I think, and one on the cover. So I think those would be really great. Lay those aside. I'm not going to lose those, right? I got a pack of the little Simple Vintage Indigo Garden enamel dots. These are so pretty. So this is going to be perfect with that. And of course, I'm going to throw in from my stash. I already have a good selection of seam binding ribbon that you can order from Country Craft Creations. So I have some that I keep here in my stash, and of course I'll be adding that in, and maybe some lace from my stash. I don't know, different embellishments like buttons and things like that I tend to like to add. You know me, I like to add some vintage buttons and things like that. So this is your page pieces. There's 11 pieces in this little pack, supposed to be. So it says, lovely day, love you forever, bloom and grow, butterfly, another butterfly. This little clipboard, it is blank, so you could put whatever you wanted to on that. This flower rose, cluster of heart. Oh no, these are all single little hearts. You got 3 there, and this little banner piece. So that is the Simple Vintage Indigo collection that I ordered from Country Craft Creations for my current design team package. Again, I will link these below. Go to countrycraftcreations.com and check for those on the site there, and go ahead and get your order in if you want to follow along with me, or select a collection that you like. And I'm going to be making an album. I'm leaning towards maybe making a vertical type album with some different kinds of flaps. So anyway, it's going to be a lot of fun. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already, so that you will be notified. You have to click that bell so that you'll be notified of my next tutorial project that's uploading on YouTube. Those who are subscribed and get notifications are the first to know, because I sometimes take a little while to get over to Facebook to share that I have uploaded something. So you'll be the first to know. So go ahead and do that. Give me a thumbs up so that I know that you like it, and it will help get my video out there to others. And as I said, if you have a question, leave a comment, or just leave me a comment and let me know what you think about this collection. Okay, everybody, that's all for today. Thanks. Bye-bye.